everyone, welcome back to the WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how to auto-tune voice on Discord. So for that, open the Discord application. Now once you open the Discord, you need to tap on the profile on the bottom right. And in this page, you need to scroll down and you need to tap on voice inside app setting. Tap that. In this page, you will be able to make the changes in the voice on Discord. So to auto-tune voice on Discord, all you have to do is tap on the auto sensitivity option and turn it off. Here, if the indicator is solid green, then Discord is transmitting your beautiful voice. You can make the changes in the sensitivity as well as per you want in your Discord voice. So this is how to auto-tune voice on Discord. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you.